Hello everybody, Colts Cards back again with another hobby box break and Topps mail day. On here is my eBay store. If you want to check out some cards I have for sale. Trying to put more up on there eventually. Slowly but surely. So what we have is 2021 clearly Donruss basketball. Clearly rated rookie autographs. Each card printed on stunning clear stock with parallels numbered as low as 1. Find ultra rare hollow mosaic parallels. Each card printed on stunning clear stock with parallels numbered as low as 1. Did I read that already? Oh, yep. It's all the same on this side as that side. Ultra rare hollow mosaic parallels. Same on that side as that side. Here are your odds. Well, not really odds, but what you can get. Just for y'all to see. All right, 4 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Hope we can find an autograph, maybe a cool LaMelo Ball card or Anthony Edwards card, or my PC, that guy that I'm PCing, Emmanuel Quickly. I think he's gonna be good. All right, let's get this started. We have 2020-21 Donruss clearly basketball. Wish me luck, and I'm hitting the camera. All right, I like the way these look. The clear acetate, cool. Usually, they grade pretty well too. As long as you know what I'm saying. Printing doesn't have any printing issues. But here we go. 2021 trading cards. There's the packs. Nice looking packs. All right, 4 packs. Pack number 1. Wish me luck. Let's see what we get. Definitely interested to look at these. Got these, I think, for like 160 off of eBay, which I don't think is that bad because I think they were selling for like 130, 135 or something like that. So that's a decent price I'll pay. Here we go. There we go. Good start right there. Trae Young. Balling out in the championships. That's a nice card there. Trae Young. Another nice card. Devin Booker. If you wanted, got a rated rookie. Oh, here we go. Ooh, whoa, that's nice. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. That is nice. That might just have to go into grading. It's weird though. It's not his rookie year, but he's got a rated rookie card. I don't know why they're doing that, but whatever. Still a cool card. I guess whatever is a gimmick. But I'm saying, a lot of these cards I put on eBay if you want them. And a Lamar Stevens rated rookie. I don't think I've heard of him. I've heard of Devin Vassell and another rated rookie. That's a pretty good pack there. I do say so myself. Luka Doncic and Trae Young, Devin Booker. Oh, nice pack there. All right, next pack. Second pack. Here we go. What we got? De'Aaron Fox, good card. Good player. Paul George. Let me show you these without. Here you go. Let's see what that is. Here. That's what they look like by itself. De'Aaron Fox. Paul George. Rated rookie of Paul Reed. I think that's a gold. Ooh, never heard of him, but a nice Tyrese Halliburton. Rated rookie. Nice card there. And a rated rookie of Precious Achiuwa. Nice cards. We're looking for LaMelo Ball or Anthony Edwards. Well, not bad so far. I don't know what the odds of autograph are. If y'all know, tell me. Here we go. And we have Brandon Ingram. Baller. Karl Anthony Towns. Rated rookie of. Ooh, nice. I don't think he has many rookie cards or autographs. Nice. Jae'Sean Tate. 48 of 99. And 2 more cards. Another rated rookie. Trey Jones. And Nathan Knight. I've heard of Trey Jones and never heard of Nathan Knight. The Jae'Sean Tate blue to 99 was nice. Last pack. Come on, let's get something nice. Even though, you know what I'm saying, it's not a bad box. Steph Curry, there you go. It's a good way to start it. Come on. Russell Westbrook. Now the Lakers. Come on. Oh, who's this? Chris Middleton. Congrats to the Milwaukee Bucks on the championship. Oh, my team. The Celtics. Rated rookie. Payne Pritchard. And who do we have in the back? Josh Green. Oh, I thought it was LaMelo Ball for a minute there. Josh Green. All right, we'll go back through these. So, 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cards. Josh Green, rated rookie. Payne Pritchard, rated rookie. Chris Middleton. Russell Westbrook, newest Laker. Steph Curry. Trey Jones, rated rookie. Nathan Knight, rated rookie. Nice card here. Jae'Sean Tate, blue to 99. Karl Anthony Towns. Brandon Ingram. Nice one here. Tyrese Halliburton, rated rookie. Precious Achiuwa, rated rookie. A gold Paul Reed, rated rookie. Paul George. De'Aaron Fox. This old school rated rookie Luka Doncic. I don't know why they make those, but whatever. Trae Young. Devin Booker. Rated rookie Lamar Stevens. And rated rookie Devin Vassell. So I'll take that. All right, here you go. If you want to buy any cards that you see, and I have them up on eBay. There's my eBay thing. All right, Topps Mail Day. I think this might be Project 70 order. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Oh, okay, all right. Well, shoot. What do we have here? Football Festival by Steve Aoki. I forgot. Well, only 8 minutes in. I have one more box coming from the UK. So I guess I will open one. Yeah, why not? And save one for another time. Let's see what we get. That's the package. Is there any odds on it? Nope. There's the sides, back, all that. Here we go. I think autographs in this are 1 out of 3 boxes. So I got 2, so should get an autograph. I have a 2/3 chance, 66% chance. But I bought another box, so I should have at least get 1 out of the 3 boxes. Pack number 1. Yes. Ooh, there we go. Cristiano Ronaldo. Marcos Alonso. Never heard of him. Sergino Dest. Rookie. Alphonso Davies. Good card there. Rodrigo. Another good card. So that's pretty good right there. Not many cards in here, so I'll just run through them all when I'm done. Oop. Hopefully get like a good rookie. Sergino Dest was a pretty decent rookie. Merrick Laporte. Benjamin Mendy. Ooh, nice. Look at that Pedri rookie card right there, huh? That's nice. I will look that over. That'll definitely be going for grading. Oh, nice Christian Pulisic and Juan Cuadrado. 2 packs down. 3 to go. Virgil van Dijk. Good card there. People like him. Kevin De Bruyne. Good card there. Bernardo Silva. And Neymar Jr. Another good card. Second to last pack. Oop, oop, oop. Hope I didn't just spoil that. I saw the BVB logo. Paulo Dybala. Sergio Dest again. Nice. Alphonso Davies again. It was the same pack. Mohamed Salah. Good card. Christopher Kramer. And, ooh, there's that corner. That corner looks dinged up. Okay, well, it's Marco Reus, so I'm not going to be too angry about the dinged up corner. Last pack mojo. Will I get an autograph? One can only hope. I see a card in here. Leroy Sané. Oh, good card there. Giovanni Reina. I see, looks like a, ooh, Erling Haaland. Good card there. Marcelo. Looks like a gold or yellow. And a Christian Pulisic. And then a 1 of 1. Uh-oh. Somebody good? Mason Mount. Oh, nice. Nice. That is nice. Look at that. Gold 1 of 1 Mason Mount. That is nice. Wow. All right. What is that on the back of it? Oh, nothing now. Looks like some dirt or something. Look at that, though. Chelsea Laser by Steve Aoki. Mason Mount 1 of 1. Gold. Well, if I didn't get anything good, I was going to open this other pack. But I think I'm just going to finish on that. Mason Mount 1 of 1. Go through this real quick. And then I'm going to say see you later on that note. Christian Pulisic. Marcelo. Erling Haaland. Giovanni Reina. Leroy Sané. Paulo Dybala. Sergio Dest. Alphonso Davies. Mohamed Salah. Christoph Kramer. Marco Reus. Virgil van Dijk. Kevin De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva. Neymar Jr. Aymeric Laporte. Benjamin Mendy. Nice rookie of Pedri. We're going to put that with that. Christian Pulisic. Juan Cuadrado. Cristiano Ronaldo. Marcos Alonso. Sergio Dest again. Alphonso Davies again. And Rodrigo. Well, that was nice. Oof. Look at this. There we go. This Pedri rookie. That is nice. And this 1 of 1 gold Mason Mount. Rocking the scarf for the headband. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Like I said, if you've watched any of my other videos, 50 subscribers, I'm giving away a Mookie Betts poster. Oh, wait. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to buy any of my cards on eBay, there you go. Have a good day and good night.